What do we have? It's a 1/3% lower start on the Nifty, 24,714. Nifty Bank is down about 0.4, 54,825 on the Bank Nifty. The Sensex is down. The small cap index is down about 1/3%. And I think you've got the mid cap index, which is down about 0.5% as well. 56,400 on the mid cap index coming through as well. So unexpected lines, 24,700 now on the Nifty. So ticking down a little bit. Heat map coming up on the Nifty, and it's largely on the downside with few gainers, about 8 or 9 gainers, but everything else is starting in the red. Rima.
The Nifty at open has lost more than 100 points, so it's currently at 24,700. IndusInd Bank is your top loser, straight away 4% lower, 740 on IndusInd Bank. IT is on the back foot. Cuts of more than 1% on HCL Tech, on Tech Mahindra, on Infosys, on TCS. This is following the 1.5% knock that we had on Nasdaq overnight. ITC is weak ahead of its numbers later today. ITC share price is opened with a cut of nearly 1%, and Reliance Industries is also exerting pressure with a downtake today. Other notable drags include a PowerGrid, a Shriram Finance, a Nestle, Trend. So a couple of these consumption names, FMCG names, also weak in trade. There is only one Nifty stock with a gain of 1%, and that's Adani Ports. So that's the top gainer right now. But other than that, Adani Enterprises, Coal India, BPCL have a green tick. ONGC should also come up for you on your screen, reacting to numbers. ONGC share price is up nearly about 0.5%.
Well, that's right. You know, this company we just spoke to, Bartek Babak, just take a look at that stock. Bursting away, the stock is up closer to 9%. Big up move is what we're seeing out there. In the final minutes of trade, in fact, we did have NTPC Green that came out with a set of numbers. Bazooka move out there. Remember, the stock had danced away. I think it had given a 40-50% return post its listing. But post that, it did pull back to the IPO price. And now, in fact, it's getting back into form. So that stock is up and about in today's trading session. A couple of other big movers in trade today. Nalco, the numbers are good. The stock pops up closer around 3%. Sustaining this gain is going to be important. And a couple of other notable movers on large volumes. You have Dishman Pharma. I think that one, in fact, is up close to around 8% now. VRL Logistics. On the top line, it was a bit of a disappointment, but it seems the management is now focusing on the operational performance. And the margins actually were a pleasant surprise out there. So that's why that stock is up close to around 7.5%. Big move is what we're seeing out there. And Cosmos First. That's the other one that's trading with good gains as we speak. So a couple of these stocks actually doing very, very well from the broader markets. On the flip side, a few stocks that are getting clobbered. You have AG Infra, that's down close to around 8%. So big downtick is what we're seeing out there. JMM Pfaudler as well, it lost its form, and now in fact in a post that it's never been able to get back into form. So JMM Pfaudler as well, down close to around 5% as we speak. Markets now at the low point of the day. IndusInd Bank, that's the top loser, but in fact it's pulled back some losses from the lows of the day, now down only approximately 3%.
Okay, well, I think so. It's a downtick just under 24,700 on the indices as we begin this session on Thursday.